guys, and welcome back to today's video. So it's 4 p.m. right now and I'm finally home from school, and this is my to-do list for today. I have a few sample papers to finish, some revision to do, and honestly it's one of those after school grind days. So yeah, let's get started. Starting with my cbse SST sample paper for the year 2025-26, but I'm only doing section A and B first. I used to feel really guilty about not finishing the entire paper in like one straight go in like 3 hours, but I realized that starting small actually helps me stay consistent and not get bored like very easily. So yeah, and then for my break I had to complete diagrams for my bio lab record that I have to submit. So yeah, after that I came back and I did section C and section D for this SST sample paper. I got done with the civics and the economics part. Now it's time for maths. I'm doing the Sahodaya paper for our region, and I won't lie, when I'm practicing math papers, it's the best thing for you to do is to keep a timer and check how much time you take for each section, because I won't lie, this is where I start comparing myself to everyone else. Some people just finish papers so quickly and it makes me feel like I'm falling behind, but the key is to basically practice more and more sample papers with a timer. In case you're not able to do the whole paper for 3 hours, just divide the paper, take breaks, keep a timer and do it. So for math, I use R.D. Sharma. This is the next important book that you should start using after NCRT. It has a really good questions with example questions as well as the exercises questions with which year which paper it had come in, and all that, which is very important. And I also, from R.D. Sharma, I also use the MCQs book. Again, it has MCQs from all the chapter, practice questions, as well as the example questions. And then I also sometimes use the cbse question bank. It has a bunch of mind maps for each chapter, quick revision notes, and mind map, and some competency based questions, including objective and subjective questions. Then for science, I use this together with cbse question bank, although it is not the best question bank I would suggest for science. For me, it is pretty good. It has again mind maps and then questions from each topic. It is pretty good, but there are better books as well. Then for sample papers, I bought two new books, one for maths and one for science. It has 15 sample papers each. Yeah, this is the best sample paper book that I would suggest, because it has a literal trend analysis for each chapter, which question had come from which chapter, in which year, from which topic. So this is really effective for you to know the exact trend pattern of the cbse question papers. And there's also a predictive analysis to show you which chapter you need to give the most priority to. It also has mind maps and quick revision notes for each and every chapter. For maths, I'll say the same thing. It has the exact same pattern for maths as well. So yes, for sample papers, these two are the most effective books that you could use. After dinner, I started revising heredity and practicing pyqs. I'm mostly okay with the chapter, but when it comes to dihybrid crosses, I find it a little hard, so I'm just taking my time and practicing slowly. So yeah, and after that, I was done. So yeah, that's it for the day. Bye.